Hello everyone, this is Raman. So in this lecture we will talk about the Jquery class selector. So Jquery class selector is basically a JavaScript native which is get element by class name function. Here if you see this line of code which says that select the element text and apply background color yellow. So this we have seen in our previous video that how the color of the text box is changed by selecting the element. So to demonstrate about the class selector, let's have a CSS file. So I'll go to my project. I will say add a new item. And I will select style sheet. And you can give any name. Extension is CSS. So I'm keeping style sheet 1.css. So in this file, I'm going to create a class. So you can create class on the basis of tags like body tag or anchor tag, header tag, or you can create a generic class which you can apply it on the multiple elements. So I'm going to create a generic class. I call it, say, back color. And under this back color, I'm saying background color, I say red. And also color white. So these two properties I'm setting over here. I will go back to my application. And here, first thing I need to include this file. So I'll drag and drop this file over here. This is the shortest way to link the file. So here you can see link href style1.css, type is text CSS, and relationship is style sheet. Let me get rid of these controls and let me create a text box. So this is my div tag, and under this div tag I'm taking one input type equals to text. I will give the ID equals to txt, say name, and I'll give a value equals to testing class. Okay, and here I will say class equals to, so if you see, this is my BK color class which is I'm applying on it. Now I will take one more input type, or I will just copy paste this and here I'll say non-testing class, and I don't want to apply this color. Okay, so Now I'm gonna change this. When document.ready, I'm saying find all the elements which has class bkcolor. So I need to say dot bkcolor. So what this statement does, it basically select all the elements with class name bkcolor. Okay. So I find these elements and I I want to add a say one more CSS. Oh, let me do one thing. Let me remove this color here so that it will apply only the background color. So I'm saying here color and color equals to white. So what this method does, it will search all the elements which has class as bk color, which is in our this case this txt name, and apply the css color white on it. So we'll take one more input type and say copy paste this, and this is testing class, right? So now let us run and see. Okay, so here you can see that background color is red because we applied the class to these two text boxes. And on the jQuery, I'm searching all the elements which has pk color as a class and apply color property on it. So this dot is indicating the class. Now say an example, we have more than one classes. I'll say dot another bk class or bk color. And here I'm saying background color is say blue. Now here instead of this bk color, I want to apply the class another bk color. Now what I want to do, I want to apply the fore color as a white for both the classes. So in this case, I will say this class, select all the elements which are having this class, comma, select the elements which are having dot another bk class. So I'll save it and I will refresh this page. Okay, so there is something wrong. Maybe this color, background color equals to say red. Red we already have. Say black. Text2 class. So let me refresh it. There is something wrong with the background color. Okay, actually I need to recompile this. So here you see that I used another class which is having background color equals to blue, and BK color is having background color equals to red. Now here what I'm doing, I'm just taking both these classes and applying the CSS color white. So let me run it. Okay, now you can see here that there are two classes, BK color and another BK color. Both are identified here, and CSS class is applied with the color white on this. Now there could be another case that if you want that particular class is to be applied on a particular section, say I want to apply this color on multiple elements, those who are having this class element, as well as I have one input element, input type equals to text, id equals to say txt, new, value equals to non-class testing, and here I'm saying style equals to background color say gray. Okay, so I have not applied any class on this, but I have applied a style. So now if I want to apply on this txt new also, so I'll say search the element which is having hash txt new space okay. So let me rerun it. Okay, I believe we need to put a comma here. Okay, now you can see that we are applying to the not only to the class element, but also we are searching the element by ID, comma, we are searching by class name and another class name, and we are applying on it. Okay, and that's it. That's it from class selector perspective. If you have any query, please comment below and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.